Hi everyone. Let's have more people on board. Hi everyone. Hi Harish uncle. Hi Divya. Hi Lena. No, I'm not from MIT. So why this lockdown has driven fatter? No, if you take care, you won't be fatter. You can. That's golden period to get on more fit. Hi Sona ji. So let's get started. So today we will be live with a very dear friend of mine, actually my school friend, and now she is an agri entrepreneur, and she'll be teaching us and giving us tips for chemical free microgreens, and she's also a teacher at the Art of Living. So let's see if we can get her on board and we can have some chat with her. So let's see if we can get Divya on board. Hi Divya, how are you?
Very good. How are you doing? Thanks.
All good. So how was your day today?
Very well. Hectic and
Very
nice.
well. Okay. So guys, this is Divya Bajaj, and she'll be giving us tips on how to grow microgreens. So let's get started. Okay. So Divya, tell me what does health mean from your perspective?
From my perspective, as I've understood health, उसका ना एक संस्कृत वर्ड है, तो हेल्थ को हम बोलते हैं स्वास्थ्य. स्वास्थ्य को अगर समझे तो स्वयं में अस्त, मतलब established in yourself. And when we look at health, I'm sure you would agree that we can't take one aspect of health alone. Like
Absolutely.
fitness is one aspect, and your muscular strength is one aspect. You are not fat is one aspect. Then agility in the body और flexibility एक aspect है. और mental health जो है वो हमारी physical health को कितना impact करती है वो एक बहुत बड़ा aspect है. So by Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji's definition, when our mind is free from fear, from anger, from guilt, from negative emotions, हमारे में ऐसा power है that we can heal ourselves. So that is how I look at it. That it is very it is linked together. Like our physical health and mental health impact each other. अगर हमारा
That's
physical
important.
health में,
That's important.
Yeah, very important. If our physical health is affected for some reason, then mentally also we will feel very low. And if our mental health is low, then definitely physical health, even if you have a muscular body or a lean frame or everything, then also you cannot function well in life. So it is holistic. Health, by my perspective, is very holistic.
That's an absolute the great answer. So we can all relate to it, that we need to look at health from all perspectives. Okay. Now we know that food as a primary source of energy. So is there any, according to you, are there any other sources of energy?
Yeah, food is one source which is very, very important. And what we are eating, I'm sure you know so much better than me that how much one should eat, what all one should eat to gain the nutrients and vitamins, minerals, all that. I will not go
Absolutely.
into detail with that because you are an expert. And then food wise, one thing that I would like to bring to somebody's notice that what we are eating, we might be thinking that I'm eating an apple every day, I'm eating my fruits, I'm eating veggies, I'm eating so much greens, all that. But these days फूड जो हम खा रहे हैं उसमें इतना केमिकल है, तो वो जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स उसमें प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए, नंबर वन इट इज एब्सेंट द वे इट इज बीन ग्रोन.
Absolutely.
Our nutrition is missing from the food. And secondly, there are so many chemicals which actually हम वो खाने से नुकसान ज्यादा है, उसका फायदा नहीं है. You would,
वो
I'm
तो
sure
है.
you know
Absolutely.
this very
I
well.
agree. I completely agree with this. So today you'll be guiding us how we can,
I
grow
think
chemical free.
It is very important. आज के दिन में अगर हम सोचें that we go to a marketplace and we just buy some vegetables and we think that we are doing something great for the family, we have cooked something nice, we are eating a lot of salad, it is not going to help you, let me tell you very frankly, because there are so many chemicals in our food uh, that we cannot gain any benefit from it. In fact, it is harming our body a lot, family's health, our own health. And then food
Absolutely.
के अलावा जो sources of energy है, then there is your state of mind is a very big source of energy, because if again, like
Yeah.
if you're feeling negative and dull, if you are just complaining sort of a mind, then you don't feel healthy, then you don't feel energetic. Then sleep is very important. I'm sure when you give
That's one of the
consultations,
important factors. और
yeah,
आजकल लॉकडाउन में that is the most disturbed aspect.
correct. क्योंकि रात लेट तक नेटफ्लिक्स चल रहा होता है.
Absolutely.
And plus also what has happened is that there is a lot of anxiety in the system, because
Yeah.
so many of us, our businesses are affected, life ahead, we don't know what is going to happen. All that anxiety
Yeah.
really gets triggered in a situation like we are in right now. So very
Yeah.
important. The next source of energy, which is breath, it has the capacity to we have the capacity through our breath, we can let go of our negative emotions.
Yeah.
You have experienced it yourself, the magic of Sudarshan Kriya. So when we
I absolutely vouch for it.
yeah. Yeah, so when I was in a very dull period in my life, that's something that
Yeah.
really picked me up, and I still practice it every single day of my life. So that
Okay.
is something that we learn how to process our negative emotions. We can distract ourselves, we can watch TV, do stuff, but it doesn't go away, and then it affects our health.
Yeah.
So I would like to relate one incident from my own life that I understood that much later. I'm sure you would know because you specialize in this understanding, that our emotional health, especially for women when they're going through emotional trauma, then something with like I got a fibroid in my uterus.
Okay.
Yeah, and when I went to the doctor, they straight away told me that you need a surgery because it's this big, this big, literally. So so then I did not want to go through a surgery, and that is when I started doing my own research about how I can improve my health other than taking the allopathic medicines or going in for surgeries or all this, which really scared me. Is why I started on my journey of discovering health through food and through meditation. And I'm very
Okay.
happy to say that it's just completely gone. I did not touch medicine, I did not go through surgery, and it is completely gone.
So today we'll be, extracting all that knowledge from you.
Yeah, we can talk about it, but yeah, this is a journey one must.
Yeah. So tell us something about chemical-free gardening or home gardening. How can it be done, and what
Yeah.
is the importance of it?
Yeah, first I'd like to actually highlight what all chemicals are present in our food. I actually made some notes and I was going through some articles, some research work, and I want to tell you that, number one thing that probably we wouldn't know, most of us don't know, that, there is something called minimum residue limit of pesticides present in our food. कितना होना
Okay.
चाहिए उसका लिमिट हमारा गवर्नमेंट सेट करता है. So there are
Okay.
European standards and there are Indian standards. Yeah, it's very interesting.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
European standards for one pesticide called malathion is 20 parts per billion. 20. Okay. And
Okay.
India, the limit is 3,000. The limit
That
set by the
much?
government. Yeah. It is amazing that it is
Okay.
3,000. And then similarly, there is DDT and endosulfan, which is so widely present in spinach. Palak hum soch rahe kitna
So
healthy.
how does these pesticides, affect our body?
They will affect your body in the worst possible ways. The big C that we are
Okay.
all scared of, cancer, is number one cause is our pesticide in our food. Then
Okay.
nervous disorders, so many nervous disorders. Then kidney
Okay.
problems. Kidney gets affected
Okay.
and our liver gets affected. If your liver is affected, you cannot digest anything. तो मतलब पूरा
Absolutely.
सिस्टम कोलैप्स करने का तरीका है हम जो खाना खा रहे हैं उसको खाते रहे. We think that we are eating apples, we are doing something so nice, and it has India में FSSAI का research publish हुआ है. Clodine करके chemical मिल रहा है, which is a banned drug throughout the world, and it is present in our food right now.
Okay.
Yeah, it is present, and
So
chemicals
जो भी
like
ban
these.
होता है that is available in India.
Yeah, everywhere it is banned. It is banned in India also, and still it is available, and much
Okay.
higher than the limits that are permitted by our government also. Yeah? I
Okay.
was reading that in wheat there is a chemical called aldrin, yeah, and that is
Okay.
21,000 times more than the limit. Can you imagine?
Okay. So how does this affect the
This
same?
causes major cause of infertility. So if somebody comes
Oh,
to us saying that so much more infertility clinics now, so
absolutely.
many
Don't ask
cancer
me.
hospitals now.
Mostly, yeah.
So this link we have to understand. It is not out of the blue that we get sick, out of the blue that we get so many diseases and all that. It is happening because we are eating something very wrong. And in kids also, in infants there is cancer these days. I'm sure you've heard of this
Yeah,
horrible
absolutely.
times that we are living in. But you can make this change. If you just learn to grow your own food, you can break this chain. And I can assure you, it is impossible to fall sick. It is
Okay.
impossible to fall sick if you grow your own food or buy from a person who is growing naturally or organically,
Okay.
as we understand. Chemical free, if somebody is growing, please buy that food. Even if it is expensive, you buy that food because it is going to save you so much for your health and your medicines. You're not
See,
going to need it.
nothing is more expensive than your health. Nothing is more important than your health.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So that is important. So now just give us a brief idea how to go about chemical-free gardening.
Chemical free gardening is very, very simple to do. It's very easy.
Okay.
All that we need is a little orientation, a little training in that. If you go through that kind of a training, anybody can grow food. I used to have a lot of plants. I was fond of plants, but I had never thought I could grow vegetables in my house. Now I'm harvesting
Okay.
bitter gourd, tomato, and then a lot of spinach is coming. I'm not buying
Same
spinach
here. Same here.
from the regular market at all because now that I know that what is there in it, I'm not buying from the market at all. So all that can easily be grown, and we have this. In fact, we have this workshop coming up from the 27th. I have this
Okay.
workshop coming up. Maybe I'll send you the link and you can share with everybody.
Sure,
27,
sure. That would be important.
yeah, it's very simple ways, how we can grow. We understand what kind of seed we need, and we know how I should prepare my soil. What do I need to add to grow? Because, I have seen this is very worrying trend that even if we are growing at home, our Mali will tell us, and, so many advertisements online will tell us that you need to add this stick, you need to add this fertilizer. All that again, we are bringing poison to our food. I am talking
Okay.
about a method of growing your food which is most inexpensive. You don't even have to buy one thing out from the market. Whatever you have at home
Okay.
or something just around you, you don't have to purchase anything for this farming. So it
Okay.
is so
So
good. Yeah, people
So
assume
how
that.
can a layman, how can a layman who has no knowledge of farming can, uh, grow these things, and how can you help us in that?
Yeah, just a little training, one, and
Okay.
definitely one needs a little training, because if you start without training and you sow a seed and
Yeah.
then it doesn't come up or something goes wrong, there might be pests, and then your mali will tell you, okay, ये दवाई छिड़क देते हैं. वो दवाई छिड़कने से तो फिर वही आ गया ना जो हम अवॉइड करना चाहते हैं.
Hmm.
तो वो
Yeah.
केमिकल फ्री, नॉन नॉन
वो नहीं
पॉइजनस,
होगा.
हाँ वो नहीं होगा. वो कैसे होगा, उसके लिए थोड़ा सा आप ट्रेनिंग ले लीजिए, और वो इतना आसान है और उसमें खर्चा भी नहीं. हम लोग सोचते हैं ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग मतलब बहुत महंगा होगा, ऐसा नहीं है बिल्कुल.
Absolutely.
एक जनरल हम लोग ऐसा मानते हैं, ऐसा है नहीं, बहुत
लोगों
आसान.
का एक्चुअली पर्सपेक्टिव ही यही है कि इफ वी गो फॉर some chemical free or organic thing, that is obviously going to be expensive, and then they don't indulge in that.
Correct. But
Yeah.
the kind of farming, natural farming and natural home gardening that we teach in the Art of Living,
Yeah.
you once you have bought the seed, because first time you will have to start with one seed, and once you have bought the seed, you don't even need to buy seed every time. It is so effective.
Okay.
You don't need to go to the
Okay.
market for anything at all. So it is very, very good. Yeah. For people who
So
have a little
that's
time, you can spend your weekends, or just like I water my plants every other day, just half an hour in once in 2 days. That's
this
enough.
this was something that I was going to come to you. How about the working people who barely have time to spend with their families? How do you help them in, or encourage them to do, home gardening, and
Yeah.
how can you help us in that?
Yeah, I know.
Because
There's some people
nowadays
are like really, really busy, and
we
with
don't
working
have
people, you
they
don't even
don't
get
have
time to
time.
cook, leave alone gardening. So we have a
Absolutely.
solution for that as well. Microgreens is something very, very nutritious. That is something that everybody can do, and
Okay.
because it is very easy to grow it, and you are harvesting just on the cotyledon level, which is 1 or 2 inches. 1 or 2 inches it grows, and then you just harvest, just cut it from the top and have it in your salads. So one, it is dense in nutrition, and if you are growing with the
Okay.
correct seed, very important to have the correct seed. If you are growing microgreens again with chemically made seeds, like company seeds, hybrid seed, all that will really, it is like eating poison. So
Okay.
don't go for microgreens with hybrid seeds. Make sure you are buying seed which are organically grown, and they're not treated with chemical when they are packed. There's a very
Okay.
dangerous chemical that they treat the seeds with, which is captain. तो वो खाने से तो जहर ही है, इससे अच्छा तो उससे नहीं फायदा होगा. But if you are getting the right kind of seed, you can grow microgreens at home. It is very simple to do. I'll show you
Okay.
some samples there. Can you see this? This is not completely
Oh,
come up, but
great.
it is coming. This is, I planted some mustard. ये जो उसका नहीं होता है ट्रे पर
Okay. That's
मशरूम्स
great.
जिसमें आते हैं. So I've
Ha
just
ha
filled
ha
it
ha
with
ha.
some coco peat and some of my homemade compost, and I've planted
Okay.
mustard seed. It's coming up. I think in a week it will be ready to harvest. Then
Okay.
but then there is another solution that luckily I've come up with, and this is a very, very unique technique. There is no other product like this in the world, and I think this is the
Okay.
first social platform that I'm talking about this also. So
So we are the lucky ones, yeah?
yeah, it's something very close to my heart. It's a project that I developed during my mentorship under the guidance of
Okay.
my mentor, and you know so I want to show you what I did there. You look at this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
You see,
So,
these
so
are,
can you just give us an idea about this?
yeah, yeah. This is chia seeds, and this is a disc, like a circular disc. And
Okay.
chia is very special seed. I'm sure Mona, you can tell people about it.
Absolutely.
Can you please talk about chia?
See, nowadays, uh, I recommend it to most of my clients.
You do,
Chia
right?
is, I do, and
Chia, I also
it
eating.
is.
Sir, please continue.
They are full of fiber, full of proteins, and the micronutrient, uh, you know full of goodness. So I would recommend if we can get chemical free chia seeds and if we can grow them at our home, that would be great. And the concept that you're showing would be absolutely. So if you can just give us an idea and,
Yeah,
you know.
with about chia, I want to tell you that in the ancient times, it was grown in South America and Mexico,
Okay.
and
Okay.
this was a seed which was considered to be sacred because
Okay.
it had such healing powers, and it was given
Okay.
only to the royalty, and it was given to soldiers before they were going for a war. So this is a seed which
Okay.
gives energy, a lot of sustained energy. So if you feel fatigued in the
Absolutely.
day and if you feel lack of energy, then chia can really boost you up. And
Absolutely. I agree with this.
yeah, and it has more protein than soy. It has
Yeah.
more iron than spinach. It has more
Than
calcium than
spinach.
milk. It is a fantastic product. So I also started consuming chia like a seed. I'm sure you asked them to mix it in water and then consume it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I did some research on this, and I figured that these seeds, they have a lot of nutrients, but all seeds, chia maybe or beej maybe, ऐसा होता है, there is some anti nutrients which block the absorption of these minerals in our body. But if
Yeah.
we are able to sprout them, or if we are able to make it into a microgreen, then
The
that
nutrient
food,
level yeah, the
nutrition
nutrient
level,
level increases. The nutrition
it
level
increases and
increases.
it is absorbed fully
Yeah.
by our body. Otherwise, in the seed, we
Absolutely.
cannot absorb the whole range. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we developed this beautiful product and it is meant for people who have absolutely zero time. अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हो तो भी आप ये कर सकते हो, इसमें कुछ नहीं करना. So you see, there is no need of any soil in this. I'll show you. It grows just on your plate. You don't even need to
Okay.
put anything, no fertilizer. Some organic enhancers like Vedic enhancers we have already put in this. So you need to add
Okay.
nothing but water. So I will show you. This is a disc I started yesterday, and it is already started
Okay.
getting some sprouts. Can you see? If you look closely, you can see a
Yeah.
little more sprouts have started.
Yes.
And if I want to have sprouts, I can have it just tomorrow. So 3 days my sprouts are ready. Otherwise, chia
Okay.
sprouts are impossible to do, and
Yeah.
because if you do it in the soil, how to harvest the very little seeds, and then this.
And we don't have time. And we don't have time
Nobody.
nowadays.
Yeah.
that
If you
that
don't
that
have
is
time
something
for
that.
gardening, then this is something you can definitely do.
Yeah.
This, you see, this is fantastic chia microgreens.
That's fantastic. Yeah.
Can you see it properly?
That's beautiful. Oh, they're so
Yeah.
beautiful also.
This is just 5 days old. I will harvest them in another 2-3 days. Yeah.
Okay.
So this beautiful chia microgreens growing. I added to my salads. I added to my bruschetta. Yesterday I made some nachos. I put some chia microgreens in that because
Okay.
it just powers every food that you take.
Yeah.
So it's very, very good. So, and
So-
can you imagine? I'm growing it on my plate. You don't
So that
need
is something
any
and of an amazing concept that you have come up with.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And my seeds are of course organically grown. We don't put any chemical processing.
So how how do you get these seeds? So these are easily available?
The seeds are available. Yeah, I am buying from a source who are growing it absolutely naturally. Their whole crop, including chia, is naturally grown, and then we have like a patented technique which we make the disc into. Otherwise, if you try to grow it in soil, it is a possibility that you might get some insect infestation, some kind of fungus. It is a possibility. But on this, it is completely clean. Like what I can do is, if I have this on my table, I can involve my kids, I can involve my family. Anybody can just water it, The kids also feel very excited to do all that. So and you can just harvest it on your table. You don't need to.
So it is also a great way to keep your kids engaged.
Yeah, and something green, something so easy. Yeah.
And involve them in the growing process. See, nowadays what I have noticed is when I tell my daughter ki chalo, let's just do something with food, then she's more interested in eating that because she knows that he has prepared it herself. So that can be a great way to, teach the kids and make the kids, have healthy food, and we can just involve them and they'll be more excited to consume it.
Absolutely. They're very
Yeah,
excited, and yeah, this is something absolutely brilliant, and we can all enjoy this. I mean, if you
yeah.
don't have time, if you don't have any experience of gardening, you know, my own cousins, they will tell me, अरे भाई मेरे को तो green thumb नहीं है, मुझे तो कुछ नहीं बस कोई एक पौधा घर पे लेके आते हैं वो भी मर जाता है. तो वो सब प्रॉब्लम भी इसमें नहीं है, आपको तो सिर्फ उसको पानी ही देना है, कुछ भी नहीं करना.
Yeah,
ना इसमें कोई कीड़ा लगने वाला है ना कुछ होने वाला है. It's very very good. And forget everything else, the joy of growing. But you know, we need the right kind of nutrients, the micronutrients to stay healthy.
absolutely.
And these
Absolutely.
pesticides not only cause diseases, they also inhibit the absorption of nutrients in the body.
Nutrients in the
Uh,
body. Yeah,
a lot of
agree.
these pesticides block the absorption of vitamin D in our body.
Yeah.
And vitamin D is
So,
directly linked with our mental health, with our, you know, with cancer, with so many things.
approximately 80 to 90% of people are vitamin D deficient.
Exactly. Correct.
In my practice, I see, and I tell them just get your vitamin D levels checked before
Yeah.
coming to me, and then I see if we correct the vitamin D levels, and there is a half of their issues are sorted.
Even mental health issues, you know.
Yeah,
So many mental health issues just because of a lack of vitamin D or lack of magnesium. Something so simple. And this
yeah,
chia is also full of magnesium. So
magnesium.
very
Yeah,
important to consume the right kind of food. Buy chemical-free food and grow your own food. Something you must grow on your own.
yeah.
So I would like to invite, you know, all our viewers to come learn, you know. Everybody can grow their own food.
Absolutely. We'll be just share me the link. We can share it, and then we can, we can get connected to nature in a way, if you can
Yes.
say so.
And
So
that
that is
really,
something that is the need of the hour.
it
You
is.
know,
Our
that is,
Prime Minister
yes,
is talking about आत्मनिर्भरता. तो ये तो
absolutely,
सबसे अच्छा स्टेप. आत्मनिर्भर हो जाओ,
absolutely.
भाई डॉक्टर के पास जाने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. डाइटिशियन का पढ़ना चाहिए, वो मोनिका बहुत
नहीं, डाइटिशियन भी गाइड, जब आप अच्छा से खाओगे तो डाइटिशियन भी गाइड करेगी, एंड आपको वैसे जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
हाँ, डॉक्टर्स का जरूरत नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. ऐसा
हाँ,
हमें खाना उगाना चाहिए, इस तरीके से पकाना चाहिए.
absolutely.
Monica is guiding us all so well about how we should cook our food and what we should add
Yeah.
and what we should completely avoid.
See, I have been endorsing organic food to all my clients. Nowadays, the people are also asking me from where can we get organic foods. Now there are special organic markets that are there, but wahan par bhi if we go, obviously, because it's they give it us to on an expensive price and all. So if we
Yeah.
can grow them at home, that could be the best thing that we can do.
That is
That's the best we can do.
And plus, how do we know it is reliable or not? You know, unless you know
Absolutely.
the farmer, unless you know what practices he's doing, and to
Yeah.
understand that if he's doing the right kind of practice, you need to know it yourself. आपको
Yeah.
अगर और कुछ उगाना भी नहीं है, ये जानकारी तो होना चाहिए कि भाई वो खाना अगर ठीक से उगाना तो कैसे उगता है. You know?
Yeah.
That possibility one has to know. So we are connected, like Art of Living is supporting close to 22 lakh farmers around India.
Oh,
And
that's
we are
great.
helping them switch from chemical farming to natural farming, chemical free farming. And we are also giving them market linkages. You know, there are many farmers
Oh,
connected with us who have learned the technique from us and who are now practicing and growing food chemical free. And then because we have such a wide base of devotees of so many members in the Art of Living, so you know a lot of people are getting chemical free food now. But we
okay.
need to understand ourselves. See, chemical free food का taste क्या है वो भी हमें याद नहीं है.
अभी
उसका
तो
taste ही अलग रहता है.
absolutely. I know I have grown, palak, methi in my garden, and uska taste amazing hota hai. Nothing as compared to what is available in the market.
Absolutely. And so exciting.
Yeah, yeah. And I love जब आप देखते हो खुद, you see the process going on. That is something, another kind of happiness that you feel.
Absolutely.
Yeah, yeah. So, Divya, what can we, send us the link and how can we learn from you? So you're
This
coming up with
course I'm
some.
teaching from 27th, you're all invited to come
Okay.
and learn there. And if you want to
Okay.
get this chia microgreens disc, it will soon be launched in the market, and I'll definitely, of course, inform you, Mona. So, आपको मैं बताऊंगी. So, whoever wants to get it, we can get it. I think within a month we should be able to launch it. थोड़ा
That's
lockdown
great.
से ही delay हो गया, but yeah, now we are all set.
Okay. So during the lockdown, what all you can suggest us to keep our stress levels, in
Yeah, we
control
all
and the
need to.
anxiety?
Anxiety is something that I'm sure you know really disrupts our digestive system. It
Yeah.
has a big impact. So
Directly linked.
directly linked, and
Yeah.
the only way to release anxiety is meditation. We
Yeah.
must learn how to meditate. If you don't know how to meditate on your own yet, if you haven't learned from anywhere, then Art of Living
Mhm.
programs is one very good start. And
Okay.
Sudarshan Kriya, is so special that stress gets stored in every cell of our body. You know that, right? That
Yeah.
when we get stressed, then it gets stored somewhere in our body, and that is why we develop some diseases, something or the other.
Yes,
But
absolutely.
Sudarshan Kriya is something that will release stress from every single cell of your body. It is too
I
easy.
completely
I mean,
agree.
हाँ, I cannot say that oh ऐसा ये वो जैसे गूंगे का गुड़ बोलते हैं ना, वो तो
हाँ.
करके ही पता चलेगा. And even before you begin with the course, you can go and meditate on YouTube. Gurudev Shri Ravi Shankar ji is conducting online meditations free every day, free. And he started because
Okay.
of the stress that we are going through right now. ना Corona lockdown जब से start हुआ है, तब से Gurudev has been taking meditations twice a day. So 12 o'clock
Okay.
in the afternoon and 7:30 in the evening. If you go to YouTube and you subscribe to the channel of Shishi, even if you don't subscribe, you look for the live meditation going on right then, and then you can meditate every day. I tell you that is short stress buster. Short.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And meditation
So,
is something very simple also. It is not something complicated. Very restful. You feel very nice about yourself when you meditate.
see, the only thing that we have to make up our mind, because people find it difficult to sit, you know.
Correct. I know.
People find it difficult just to sit for a few minutes. So
Correct.
if we, so if we actually, uh, learn that, then it can be a
Yeah,
life-changing
I
experience
know.
for
Because
us.
when we sit with our eyes closed, there's so many more thoughts and we get more disturbed. But yeah,
Yeah,
that's why guided meditation, and especially in with Gurudev when he's conducting live, is really something you'll really enjoy.
yeah.
And it's very simple to do. You will, I think today if we make it start like 7:30 today, you can log on to YouTube and go to
Okay,
Shri Ravi Shankar, and he has a full channel. 7:30 there will be a live meditation. You can start today. It'll be a
sure.
good start. Yeah.
Sure. So I am getting actually some questions.
Okay.
So let us now, we have another 5 minutes going on. So we have another 5 minutes with us.
Yeah,
So
5 minutes we can take some questions.
yeah, something to get rid through low BP.
Low BP. There is a pranayam called
Yeah.
Bhastrika.
Okay.
That will really help you.
Okay.
Bhastrika will help you.
Okay.
So you can do it twice a day, and you can learn from one of the Art of Living teachers.
Okay.
That'll really help.
And in terms of food, what you can do is chia seeds, you can include chia seeds. That is very good for your BP. And you have to include more of fruits and salads in your diet. So that would actually, and whole grains, that would actually help to get your blood pressure down. And you should monitor and do some kind of physical work.
Yeah.
That is important.
Correct.
And then let's see what all questions we have. So hope it's okay to sit with cushions during meditation.
Absolutely. You can take 500 cushions and sit, no problem.
Okay. Okay. And So, I think growing your own food is the new thing. Yes, growing your own food is a upcoming thing, and now people are more aware. I think people are more aware, and they are ready to go try out this new thing. Like they are ready to go in for organic things, and now people are more, interested. Earlier, people were not that aware. They were like,
Correct.
कुछ भी आने दो, at least आ तो रहा है. But now they actually look for sources that they can get organic things,
Yeah.
because nowadays I think people are more aware and more conscious of their health, more importantly.
You know, I was
So they're more.
actually, it's funny, I was contacted actually by an oncologist.
Oh, okay.
And he asked me that, you know, so many cases are coming, especially farmer families. So much cancer.
Okay.
Can you please tell me
Okay.
what is the link? I want to understand what is the link with pesticides and
Okay.
cancer. I actually sent him a lot of articles. He said, I want to educate myself. It's true. And
Okay.
this is a oncologist who works with a very big, I don't want to name him, very big
Okay.
cancer.
Okay.
People are getting more aware.
Yes. People are getting aware. Okay. And there's a question. Should we eat raw foods or cooked?
That you should answer.
See, it all depends upon how our body takes. There are people who actually are okay with raw foods, but there are people who do have digestive issues and raw food doesn't suit them. So it completely depends upon how your body takes, then the question comes, how your gut, what is your gut health? How is your gut health? How is your digestion? How nicely you can process food in your body? Because I have clients if I give them salads, they feel more acidic. But if I give them, I tell them to, get just saute it a bit or just do it, then they can easily digest it. So it completely depends upon how your body takes it. So is it really?
Myself, my own experience has been that eating raw food has improved my gut health. My
Yeah, so this is something.
It has worked for me.
Yeah, so it depends how your body is processing and how well your gut health is.
Correct.
See, everything is related actually to your stomach. Everything is related. So here comes yahi par, you get organic, the pesticides that you were talking about, they do affect our gut health as well.
Big time.
Yeah. So if we can treat that, then raw food I would suggest is the best.
Correct.
If you can digest
raw
it.
food is even worse in a way. If we are getting chemical.
In a way, if you don't get organic, sources, then it might affect you big time. Yeah.
Possible.
Yeah. So how about intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting, I would say, is a great idea. And it's actually very good to detox your body. It actually, yeah. So it's actually, I do it myself. I do it, I do intermittent fasting, and it has actually helped me. And, it depends. It is very good for cleansing your system. What I feel, it is very good, because see, intermittent fasting is nothing new. It was practiced by our, forefathers also.
Correct.
Yeah.
Like no meals after sunset.
No meals after sunset. Actually, so it is nothing new. It's just the concept that has come. There's always a new diet, or there's always a new concept that comes when we are following a diet, or in the market there is something. So intermittent fasting is nothing new. It was practiced earlier also. Even I see most of the people in Gujarat, especially, I've seen most of the people till now, even the ladies, they do not eat anything after 6. They do not eat anything after 6, and they are I haven't heard of any, issues, any diseases, any digestion problems in them. So intermittent fasting, if you can go, and I would recommend not to start at just the 18 and 16 hours of fasting. We should start it slow so that our body adapts it. And then slowly and gradually we can increase the hours, and then we can go about it. Yeah, so I think we're done with the questions. And it's and if you're hungry after 10, 9. Okay, so Monica Arya. Yeah. So Monica, what we can do is, if you're hungry after 10, so it depends upon what kind of food you had. If you're hungry after 10, you can have a milk, that too organic if you get that. Another issue that we are
Desi gai. Desi
yeah,
gai.
desi gai ka. So if you can have milk, or you can have some nuts. You can have haldi dalkar, you can have the milk. So that would actually help you calm down, and have a very nice sound sleep. So that is something that I recommend, and I give it to all my clients. For weight gain, so what we eat in breakfast, because I don't like parathas. So don't eat parathas, dear. It is not necessary that you eat parathas only for weight gain. So for weight gain, see, there is a myth in weight gain. The people who want to gain weight, there's a myth that they can eat everything. Everything which is, when people come to me for weight gain, I actually usually recommend to have wholesome food, which should include all proteins and carbs. It's not necessarily that you only have to eat parathas, and you only have to eat ghee and all these. Nothing like that. For weight gain, you have to first understand that you don't have to grow. How should I explain it, that for weight gain, you don't have to it's not necessary that you can eat anything. It's just that you have to eat wholesome, and slowly and gradually you will gain muscles, you will gain fat, but in a healthy way. Sometimes when I've seen people come to me and they say ki humne weight gain ke liye we had taken this, we used to take creams, and we used to take cheese, and slowly and gradually the only effect that I see on them is the stomach. Nothing else is grown. The stomach is grown. So what we have to see, that we should actually indulge in wholesome food, even for weight gain. So that is something that I would suggest. And that's it. So now we'll get back again with another session. And so thank you so much, Divya, for the guidance, and do share me the details of your product and the live sessions,
Yes.
and the meditation also.
Yes. Will do.
Fine. So I'll be joining you.
With you all.
Yeah. So I'll be joining you at 7:30 with Guruji's meditation.
Perfect.
So okay. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Bye. So guys, this was our live session, and we'll be back again with another session, and thank you so much. Bye.